What the heck? Oh, it's on. I'm about to be doing videos on video. Chucktown girl, now Rock Hill living. I graduated from college. My channel is what you're feeling. I can do some vlogs and do some challenges. I even motivate you when your money's feeling shit. Now just tune in. I just got started. Promise make you laugh. I promise I keep it coming back to see what's new with my channel and all. It's the Ashley Show, and I'm rocking with y'all. Hey, the Ashley Show. It's the Ashley Show. Hey, the Ashley Show. It's the Ashley Show. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Ashley Show. And here is another cooking segment, guys. So I'm making beef stir fry, okay? And I already jumped a little bit ahead, so this video won't be so long. So here I have my stir fry. Just a frozen stir fry mix that I got from Walmart. What I really like about this mix is that it comes with the snap peas, the green beans, the broccoli, the bell peppers, the squash, and cauliflower. So that's why I like it. And I got 2 bags. In this pot, it's only 1 bag. But I just bought an extra bag just in case. Here on my back eye, I have my white rice cooking. I don't have any more jasmine. Well, it wasn't necessarily jasmine rice, but it was like that basmati rice. What video was that? No, it wasn't my salmon video. Oh, I think I just showed you guys what type of rice it was. But I ran out of it, and that was a rice that, like, I never messed up. Like, it's, like, kind of, like, considered white rice. Off-white type of rice. Indian rice. But I never messed up cooking it. And now I'm cooking white rice, and I'm a little nervous. I really hope I don't mess it up. Because I want this stir fry. I want the stir fry done. I want to eat it now. And then here is my beef stew. Look at how good that looks. So, yes, literally, wherever you shop for your meat, just get little beef chunks or beef stew. I seasoned it with Lawry's. Didn't use a lot. Like how y'all saw my heavy hand on my salmon. Did not use a lot. Pepper. Then I use basil just because I wanted to. I just wanted to throw in some basil and throw in some parsley. So that's what I used to season the beef. They stick together, so you got to make sure that you stir it up. So once that is ready, then I am going to mix my beef with my vegetables. And then, yes. Now, there's a secret to this. It's really easy, guys. All you do is clean your beef, season your beef, cook your beef in a separate pan. Cook your stir fry, your frozen stir fry. If you want to get really creative, I don't have a lot of time sometimes when I'm trying to find quick meals for the week. So I buy the bag of stir fry already with it. But if you want to get creative, you can cut up your own bell peppers. I've done it before. You can cut up your own snap peas and broccolis and zucchini. But that is a way that you can do it. And then your white rice or whatever rice you want your stir fry on. It's a really easy meal. I make sure I put butter in my pan before I put the beef in. And a little bit of oil. I use this extra virgin olive oil. I like it. I mean, it says for dressing and marinating, but I mean, I use it to put in my pan because I feel like it is healthier, I think. It says it has a rich taste for dressings and sauces and steamed vegetables and pasta dishes. So yeah, and I just feel like it's, you know, I fry with canola oil. Then you have vegetable oil, I guess. You have this extra virgin olive oil. Yeah. So yeah, but there is a secret to this stir fry, which will be my sauce. So I'm gonna let this beef cook a little bit more. I do have more beef that I can throw in, but I wanted to wait till this beef cooked a little bit more. I didn't want to like overcrowd my pan. I'm just so ready to eat. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. And now it's time for the secret sauce. I'm letting you into my secret stir-fry sauce, okay? So first, you're gonna get soy sauce. I have reduced sodium because, I mean, we're not trying to kill ourselves, right? We're trying to be healthy. So I'm going to pour a little bit in this pan, and everything is kind of like your discretion, up to the cooker's discretion. So, can you see? And it's, you know, this is stir fry, right? So you don't need a lot of sauce, but at the same time, like, this is my rice, looking very nicely. And then this is my stir fry. I have added my beef with my vegetables. It smells really good. I have some the rest of the beef cooking over here, but I'm making my sauce. So I have it on low because you don't want it to burn. I'm going to add a few more soy sauce. And then I want it to not be so much salty, but like a little bit of sweet too. So what I'm gonna do, set this here. I'm going to add some honey now. Doesn't matter what honey you buy, doesn't matter. But I'm going to pour some honey in here. And it comes out very slow, so I'm just gonna like open this because I'm impatient. Ugh, I got like butter on my hand. It's all around the honey. Sometimes I love just eating honey. All right, so look. Little honey. Now that probably looks like a lot. But just a little bit of honey. All right, this is very messy. I'm gonna get a spoon, y'all, so we can stir this up. I love the taste of honey. I'm trying to figure out what spoon I want. Yeah. Get her done. All right, so let's mix them together. Got my honey and soy sauce. Honey and soy sauce. Honey adds sweet. Soy sauce adds salty. But now we want a little spicy, right? So honey, sweet. Soy sauce, salty. Ginger, spicy. Spicy. Okay, it's not hot sauce spicy, no. But it's that Asian zest that we need. So I'm about to add it. Here I go. I'm about to flip the camera around so you can see it. Just a little bit, because this thing is potent. I think that's enough. Last but not least, a little pizzazz. I had to go look in the back of my seasoning cabinet just to find this. Just to add a little color. All right, y'all. So I'm about to taste this Asian zest stir fry seasoning that I made to see how it tastes. Like, is it too much honey? Is it too much soy sauce? Is it too much ginger? I'm about to taste it. We're about to see. Okay, it tastes pretty good. A little, the soy sauce is the most that I taste out of this, but it still tastes good. So you know what I'm gonna do? And it's not like that much kick in it. So I'm gonna add a little more ginger. If you can see, just a little more ginger. So it can be that kick. Stir it up a little bit. And then I'm gonna add some more honey. And that looked like a lot of honey that I put in it, didn't it? But still wasn't enough. So this time I'm going to measure my honey with my spoon. Off of my spoon, because doesn't honey keep you healthy? Stir it up. Stir it, stir it, stir it. Sesame seeds just add like decoration, honestly. And if you guys are like, oh, I don't want sesame seeds because I don't want to crunch it, I don't want to taste nothing, it really doesn't make like too much of a difference. So now I'm gonna taste it again, now that I add more ginger and more honey. And it's just right. It's just right. I'm gonna taste it one more time. Just to make sure. Yeah. Has that kick to it. It has that sweetness. And it has that salty. It is just right. And look at how much really that's in it. Not a lot. That's it. Not a lot at all. And luckily with this pot that I have, it has like little things on the side. So I can like easily just pour. You see those little things on the side? I can easily just pour it like over my plate. Pour it over my bowl. So that's it. Everything is ready. I'm about to put this on. I think I'm going to put it in a bowl. I'm about to put this in a bowl. And we're about to try it. That's it. Really easy. I started, I want to say 3:30, and it's 4:30 now. And it's done. Quick, easy, like cost effective. Like, I'm sure you guys, if you buy white rice, you buy rice, it's going to be in your cabinet. You're not going to have used all of it. So really, all you need is white rice, frozen bag of veggies. If you like a lot of veggies, if you like a lot of beef, buy 2 of them. Buy a pack of stewed beef. You can get the lean if you want. When I had to, it came in like big chunks, so I had to like cut mine like even smaller. And then you can also cut the fat off. Get honey. I know me, I love tea. So honey is like always gonna be in my cabinet. Soy sauce, that might be something extra. You have to buy ginger. Not a lot of, I don't think you use ginger for a lot of things in sesame seeds, but like I said, you don't even have to add the sesame seeds. So it's not a lot, but I'm about to put it in my bowl, get some lemonade, and eat. Hey, I don't want to spend too much time showing you guys, you know, me eating because I'm hungry and I want to eat, and I'm about to chow down. Make sure your eyes are turned off. Like that's it. Like make sure when you're done cooking, everything's turned off. But as you can see, here is my stir fry. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. And we are about to see. Thank you, God, for this food that I was able to make today. Ooh, these peas are huge. Look how big this pea is. Mmm. Mmm. That second bite, I had to really get into it. Mmm. You don't need a lot of sauce with it either. You really don't. You need a lot of sauce with it. I'm about to go have a seat, watch some Netflix. It's Friday. It's Valentine's Day, actually, too. I might get this video uploaded today, but it's Friday, Valentine's Day. I don't have no wine. I need to go buy some alcohol for tomorrow's video. Sneak peek. And about to go watch some Netflix. About to. It's really good. I'm about to add some more veggies in this. I couldn't do it while filming at the same time. It's good. And you meal prep. Look how much I have. Meal prep. The rice, the sauce. Very easy. Very, very easy. Signing off. Thank you for tuning into the Ashley Show for another video, another cooking segment. And I hope you enjoy your Valentine's Day. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Be sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.